In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to make a Google survey. First, start out in your Drive, then you will come over to this left-hand side and press New. Once you do that, you will go to More and find Google Forms. Click on that and it will open a new window. In the window, you can title this. Once you have titled it, you can go and create a question. For the question, you can create different options for the answers. You could create a short answer and they can fill in the blank, or you can create multiple choice as so. You can give them options such as blue or green. You can make this required, which means they have to answer it or not. Once you are finished, you click this eyeball and it will tell you what it will look like.